If you or someone you know is dealing with hypertension, it's essential to consult with healthcare professionals for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment options. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Today we're tackling a subject that affects millions of people worldwide, hypertension, or high blood pressure. More specifically, we'll be talking about the role diet plays in managing this condition. Before we dive into the dietary aspects, let's quickly understand what hypertension is. It's a condition where the force of the blood against your artery walls is consistently too high. This can lead to a host of health problems, including heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. It's a serious issue, but the good news is that lifestyle changes, including diet, can make a significant difference. So, let's get into it. Your diet plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Consuming foods that are high in sodium, saturated fats, and sugars can lead to or exacerbate hypertension. On the flip side, a balanced diet can help you manage and even lower your blood pressure. So, what should you eat and what should you avoid? Great question. First up, foods you should incorporate into your diet: fruits and vegetables, especially those high in potassium, like bananas, oranges, and spinach. Whole grains, like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and oatmeal. Lean proteins, think skinless chicken, fish, and legumes. Low-fat dairy, such as skim milk and low-fat yogurt. Nuts and seeds, but in moderation, as they can be high in calories. You might notice that these foods are largely in line with the DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. It's a well-studied diet that has proven effective for lowering blood pressure. Now, let's look at foods you should avoid or consume in moderation. Salt, high sodium intake is a significant risk factor. Processed foods, like canned soups, fast food, and packaged snacks. Saturated fats, found in red meat and full-fat dairy products. Sugary foods and drinks, such as soda, candies, and pastries. Remember, it's not just about avoiding certain foods, it's also about balance and moderation. You don't have to eliminate all your favorite foods, just be mindful of your choices and portions. A few final tips: stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. Regular exercise complements a healthy diet in managing hypertension. Consult a healthcare provider. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. And there you have it, the role of diet in managing hypertension. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think could benefit. And don't forget to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay healthy and take care.